You told me I could trust you. With fame, everybody know my name when I come through. Don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in the Beamer with you. Then swimming in deep water, save me from my sorrow. Swimming in deep, just some pieces I need. So why can't I get that for free?
Dirty baby, what you need, you gotta be. Early baby, lady, you can show me things. You know what it is when I visit. Beauty city, don't need kisses. Don't need kisses. Don't need kisses. Don't need kisses. Lady, you can show me things. Don't need kisses. Don't need kisses. Don't need kisses. Lady, you can show me things.
Well, I am headed to Apple to see if they can see what's wrong with the audio on my phone. But first, Grand Rising, love and light, my babies. It is Monday. This is the start of our week. The vlog didn't go up until today. Like, it's going up at 4:30 today because I had a booked nail day yesterday. So yeah, I didn't even get to edit or anything, but I'm headed to Apple to go have my phone serviced. Hopefully they don't try to charge me any money. And it's raining. I am also going to try and go to this nail supply store that I found here. It has 2.5 stars, so I don't plan on getting much out of the trip. I just need nail files, so we'll see. My appointment with Apple is at 10:05. It's 9, probably like 9:47 right now. And I actually live right up the street, so we should get there in just enough time if people will go and get out of my way. I also need to make a trip to the beauty supply store because I need hair foam, mousse, or whatever you want to call it, and I want to find a bigger bonnet to wrap my hair up. So that's what's on the agenda for today. That is where I am headed. I will talk to you guys and update you guys as everything is going on. All right, so we should be back in business. Apparently, I am soaking wet, y'all. Apparently, they replaced something, but it was at no cost to me, so I am perfectly fine with that. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the rain is coming down, and I hate driving in the rain. I know I said that we were going to run a couple errands. I don't want to be out in this. I also don't like driving in the rain. So I'm just gonna go home and we will try again tomorrow. My hair is literally curling up because I got it wet. But we'll try again tomorrow because I don't like being out in this. So yeah. Hopefully we're good. Hopefully you guys can hear me and we don't have any prior problems, and we can move along from this. I am gonna go to Starbucks, maybe, because I really don't want to drive in this. And I was doing okay, like it was raining this morning, but on my way back up here to get my phone, someone almost hit me, so my anxiety's a little high, but we will just put hands 10 and 2 and get home. So let me focus and I will talk to you guys later. This ain't but a moment. I have not been doing anything at all today. My house is already clean. I have not had a real meal today though, so I'm about to eat. I'll show y'all what I'm eating later, but I thought I'd go ahead and close this vlog out. I think I'm going to spend some QT time with my mama tomorrow, so maybe I'll vlog some of that. Probably won't. But I've got a couple errands to run tomorrow too, so we can film that. I wanted to show y'all though what I did because, you know, Bath and Body Works candles are $24. $24.50 to be exact. And I don't like the boiling process, waiting for it to melt, all that takes too long. So I took a butter knife and I cut out all of the wax and it popped right on out. It came out just as smooth as day. So all that extra boiling and stuff, y'all candles must be hella hard because mine wasn't. And I had 4 candles that had just been sitting that were already burned. I popped all of that wax out of them. Look at all that wax that's left. So that's my vanilla sage. This is my marshmallow fireside. This is like that love candle, the red candle. And then this was white tea and sage. Look at all that wax left. And I just put it in my wax warmer over here. I also have one over there that's plugged in. And you can smell them just fine. So if you don't want to go buy any more candles right now and you have a wax warmer, don't waste your wax. Just pop them out. And if you want them to be a little more firm, pop them in the freezer. Leave them in the freezer. Yeah, I'm about to eat though. So I'll talk to y'all later. Trader Joe's has been low on stock, and this is the only fried rice that they had. And this one has egg in it, which I'm not upset about, but I prefer the vegetable one. I'm also not the biggest fan of this, like, it's got chicken in it. I prefer the vegetable. It's not nasty, but it'll do. A little bit of that's my dinner. I know it look a little dry, but it's not. Like the I don't like a lot of the sauce, but it ain't dry, I promise. It's hot as hell.
Don't worry, Walter owes all your faces debts.
If that were true, you wouldn't be here.
I'm about to eat though, and I'm gonna talk to y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna talk to y'all tomorrow. Greedy or what? I made lemonade, y'all. It's good. Yeah, I'm about to watch A Different World. I have watched these seasons probably 5 or 6 times, and it never gets old. So, but yeah, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. I ain't doing nothing today. Today was a day. Mommy on here being greedy. Anyways, good night, babies. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Grand rising, my babies. I'm getting ready to go out. I was going to my mom's to hang out with her because she's all, well, I was just going to my mom's to hang out. But in true mother fashion, she's putting me to work, okay? I have to stop and get water and butter. And then apparently we're going to her job today to like clean out her desk or something. I don't know. But it's definitely not just going to be a chill day like I wanted it to be. I mean, it can be, but we'll see. Yeah, but I'm headed out. Just wanted to say grand rising and give y'all a pretext of where we're going and what we're doing. I'm about to throw on. Really, bro? Really? Okay. I'm about to throw on my shoes and then we can head on out. So I told y'all I was coming to hang out with my mama. And as we all know, she was going to put me to work when I got here. But I've been having a really good day. And for those of you who don't know, I am a military brat, which means I've been on several bases. I've been to the Pentagon and all of that. And I haven't been on one in years. Like, they took my military ID when I turned 23?
Yeah.
When I turned 23. So I haven't been on those. This is so nostalgic. I don't think she understands how nostalgic this is. Like, because it used to be just her and I, she would have to work at night. And she would come in at night, and I would sleep at a desk on the other side, like behind her while she worked. That's how nostalgic this is for me. That's how much of a military brat I am.
Move.
Get out the way.
No, you move.
You're older than I am. And
Don't move out the way. I'm ready to go home.
It's late and my phone is about to die. I'm back at my mama's house. She downstairs talking to her neighbor. She treated me to some Chick-fil-A. So I'm about to eat and I'll talk to y'all when I get home. If I can get some charge on my phone. But I'll talk to y'all then. I haven't talked to you guys since Wednesday. It is now Friday. It is 2 o'clock. I have been PMSing. I'm in a lot of pain. I'm very sleepy. I did get up this morning and I did a fill-in on my nails, so I haven't filed them or anything yet because I need to go to the nail supply store and get some nail files. But I'm about to take a nap. I think it's like 2:19 or something like that. So I'm gonna take a nap and then we will get up and go to the nail supply store and I'll show you around in there. And then tomorrow my best friend's coming so I can take her hair down, so I'll probably film some of that. But I haven't been doing much because I haven't been feeling well. I also had an allergic reaction on my eye. I don't know if you can tell, but this eye is swollen and it has hives around it. So I have not been having the best of times, basically. But yeah, I figured I'd come on here and say hi and check in, and that we will get up and go out today. I've also planned out videos for March, so I'm hoping everything goes as planned so that I can uphold these plans. But yeah, let me take my nap really quickly, and I'll see y'all when I wake up. Nap over. Let's go to the supply store. Okay, so I'm here. It was only like 5 minutes up the road. I've never seen this this beauty supply store here before, but we're gonna go in here. I'm not gonna bring the camera this time. I will, and we'll see what happens. But I try to go in with as little stuff as possible because y'all know how we are treated. So I go in with my wallet and my cards, and I will just bring my cell phone. So that's what I'm gonna do because I really don't feel like dealing with no attitude, none of that. So that's all I'm gonna take in with me, just to lower the problems. So if I can get some footage in here, I will. If not, I will just show you what I got when I come out. Okay? Bye-bye. So I'm done, and that was a disappointment, to say the least. I spent $21 on 2 items, which I'm not upset about because that's about the price for the stuff that I got. I got some 80-100 grit nail files, which I think I showed you. Those were $18. And I got a straight edge nail file that was $2.95, I think, but she only charged me $1 and something, I think. I don't know, but she was really sweet. The place is just not like, it's not organized. There's no structure. Not everything had a price on it. Like, I had to ask her how much the nail files were, so she could have just gave me a number. Like, somebody else could go in there and she could say they were $12.99. So I don't like that. So whenever I try to get bulk files like that off of Amazon, they're usually about $20-25. So I'm fine with $18.99. Now I'm headed to Starbucks. I think I did get like a little clip of the inside. Like, it just seemed sketchy all the way around. So never again. The next time I go to a nail supply store, we will definitely be making a trip like out of town. It'll be in another state. So lucky for me, it's only like an hour and some change away. That's where we'll be going because I don't have time. I just don't. I don't have time for the foolishness. What the hell is going on with this rain? But I'm going to Starbucks. And yeah. Skirt.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a... Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Take your time.
Iced guava black tea with lemonade and a venti.
Okay.
I would like light ice with that, please. And yes, I want it sweetened.
All right. What else can I get?
That's all.
It'll be $4.51 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Like, you guys guava tea lemonade?
Yes.
It's $4.51. Already, I love your nails.
Thank you.
High five. Already 49 cents is your change.
Thank you.
Yeah. You gonna start for that when it comes out?
No.
Cool. There you go.
Thank
Have a good
you.
one.
You too. Oh shit. I finally got light ice. They finally did your girl right. He was nice. They always have really good customer service. I actually have reusable straws that I keep in my car, and I never take them out to use them. I'm also gonna go to Subway. I'm craving a spicy Italian sub, and when it's that time of the month, I really just get what I want because I deserve it. Like, the first couple of days of my cycle are crucial, so we're going to Subway. Get me a foot-long sub. And what the hell is wrong with my windshield wipers? I have really good windshield wipers, but this rain is making them funny. So yeah, I keep these in a little plastic baggie in my car, and I don't think this is gonna fit in this cup, but we'll try it. Only thing is, I'm gonna have to remember to put it back and to clean it. Oh, it fit. Okay. See? All while saving the planet. Who's blasting music? All right, let's go to Subway. I'm about to eat, and then I'm gonna try and finish my nails. I really have to be in the mood to do my nails. So if I finish, I was feeling it. But I'm about to eat, and I'm gonna do this foot pill, child. I'm gonna do this foot pill that my mom got me because I got really, my feet, especially in the wintertime, we're gonna try it. I'm not gonna show you all my feet, but we're gonna try it. And we probably won't see the results until the next vlog, but we're gonna try it. So let me go eat because my stomach cramping, and maybe it's because I'm hungry. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Grand Rising, my babies. This is going to be the last day of vlogging. I sort of finished my nails last night, like they're capped in a clear coat. I filed them a little bit, but I haven't done the design. What else did we do last night? I think that's it. I didn't do anything else last night. I'm going to do the foot pill today, So that'll be the next couple of clips, and then that'll be it for this vlog. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go about my day, and when I do the foot mask, I will show you guys. But that's gonna be it. So see you later. Hello, and welcome back to my life. What's that, you ask? What's that brown stuff, Taisha, in the bottom here? Refrigerator? Coffee. This froze over and it shattered. And now I have coffee all in the bottom of my fridge. It happened last night, and I didn't feel like cleaning it out, so I went to bed because that's gonna be a task. You would think that I would want to get it out right now because you don't want it to stick. I don't feel like doing that shit. But I'm about to clean it out, and then we're gonna do the foot pill. My friend's not coming today, and honestly, I don't feel like doing anything today anyway. So this vlog is probably going to be, what the hell? This vlog is probably going to be extremely short, and I do apologize, but there's nothing for me to do. There's nothing to do right now. Everybody shut down from weather, so work with your girl, okay? Let me clean this out. I do see some under the glass, but I'm not taking all that water out, so I'll get it another time, but it's clean now. Let's do my feet now. Whew. Okay, so this is the foot mask. It is, that's the foot mask. It's the Onyx Professionals Foot Mask Extra Strength Formula. Callus Removing Booties. I'm literally just going to follow the instructions, which is to soak feet in water for a few minutes, open internal pouch and remove booties, cut along the top of the mask, one at a time, and insert feet to adjust size. Use included tape, wear booties for 30 minutes, then discard. Wash feet thoroughly with warm water. Dead skin will start to peel away within 5 to 7 days, revealing soft and supple skin. Peeling will last a few days. Not for daily use. For maximum results, peel dead skin with our callus shaver 10 days later, or when peeling slows, use charcoal foot mask. Those are the instructions. So I'm going to get my foot soak and put some warm water in it and soak my feet. And then I'm going to put the booties on, and you will see the results play out in next week's vlog. But this is what we're doing. Yeah. Again, I do apologize for the footage shortage. There's just not much going on. Well, I'm gonna show you what like the foot soak, and then I'll come back and do the outro. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys after I put these booties on. I'm super ashy, but I'm soaking in warm water for about 10 minutes, and then I'll put the booties on. Okay, I have the first one on. I don't know if I put this on right, but my foot is like submerged and soaking in this stuff, so we shall see what happens. Again, don't mind my ashy legs, but I've soaked my feet, or rinsed them off in warm water, and now I have socks on. So we should get some peeling within 5 to 7 days. We'll see what happens. I'm just gonna keep them in the socks, you know, shower normally, all that good stuff. So I'm going to end this vlog here, and I will show you guys the results as they pan out next week. Hopefully I think I say this almost every vlog, but like, hopefully there's better footage coming for the weekly vlogs, because this whole being in the house not filming and all that good stuff ain't it. Like I'm trying to give y'all some different content each week, but it's not that easy. The weather's starting to give, so maybe we'll have a little bit of better footage. No, March is going to be that you know what. Like March is going to be amazing. We're going to have great, amazing footage in March. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time that I upload. And I'll see you in my next video.